So let's make it conversational presentation, guys, right? I mean, we'll talk here. We'll just share the thought and we'll just talk to people that why we are supposed to get that. Now you must be thinking, Kaif sir also must be having kind of resolution, right? Everybody has a resolution, so I also must have resolution. But let me tell you honestly, I really want to be what I am today. Exactly. I don't want to be anything. I am happy what I am today because I'm having very positive law of attraction, right? I don't want to doubt myself. I don't want to say that I didn't do this, I couldn't do this, so I will just do this right in this next year. So I am completely satisfied with my doings. So I do not want to tell myself, hey dear Kaif, you couldn't do this. No, this year you have to do this. No. So my law of attraction is damn fantastic, guys. So I'm helping myself and I want to be what I am today. So this new year is going to be fantastic because I am with myself and I'm going to help myself. I am very self-possessive, guys. I'm very egoistic, guys. I'm very not narcissist, but yes, I am very selfish for myself, guys. So helping yourself means I learned one thing when I was in village. I had so many pigeons. You know pigeons? Yes, sir. Kabutar. So I used to just sit sometimes and just see my pigeons, right? I was just kind of nalla person. I was unemployed. I was not doing anything. So I was just there. So I used to throw seeds, weeds, paddies, right? So I noticed one thing. When my pigeons used to get seeds easily, they didn't used to go anywhere. I mean, they didn't used to go to crops field and eat something, right? But when I didn't used to give, then they used to go. But when I used to give, they didn't used to go. So I learned one thing. When people get anything, they don't try to get anything. Yes. Do you understand? Yes, sir. So when I didn't used to give seeds to my pigeons, so they used to try to go somewhere to take. So I learned that I need to help myself. If people will give me, I will not go anywhere. Right? कसम से मुझे याद है, बड़ी साल की बात बता रहा हूँ मैं, पहले की बात बता रहा हूँ. बैठ के मैं वहीं सोच रहा था कि यार ये कबूतर को मैं दे रहा हूँ दाना, ये कहीं नहीं जा रही है और मेरा सब दाना खा रही है. मेरी अम्मी डांटा भी करती थी कि सब दाना खिला डाल रहा है ना, गेहूँ पूरा ख़त्म कर दे रहा है. और मैं खिलाता था और मेरी कबूतर कहीं नहीं जाती थी. लेकिन जब मैं दाना बंद कर देता था तो फिर कबूतर जाती थी खेत में, खा के आती थी. तो मैंने सीखा यार, जब मुझे कुछ सब पैसे दे रहे हैं, राइट, और मैं यहीं पे हूँ, पड़ा हूँ और मुझे अच्छा खासा खाना मिल जा रहा है, कोई डांट नहीं रहा है, कुछ नहीं, मैं पतंग उड़ा रहा हूँ, एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं बड़ा सेटिस्फाइड था, राइट. जब मैं सबसे लेना देना बंद कर दिया तो खुद की मदद करना चाहा, तो आई रियली started helping myself and I nourished myself, and that self-assessment, that self-introspection, that self-comprehension, that self-analysis for myself has built my self-esteem, and that self-esteem has built my self-law of attraction and law of vibration, and that law of vibration is helping me every day, and every day I'm nourishing myself, and every day I'm rewarding myself, every day I am just really patting myself, and every day I am celebrating my year, guys. So your year will become really fantastic when you will be fantastic. Your surrounding can be good when you are good, guys. Imagine करो कि आप होली मना रहे हो लेकिन आप खुश नहीं हो. वो होली का कलर भी बड़ा तकलीफ देता है. आप इमेजिन करो कि आप किसी से ईद में गले लगा रहे हो लेकिन आप खुश नहीं हो, वो गले पे बड़ा नफरत सा लगता है. आप इमेजिन करो किसी शादी में पनीर खा रहे हो लेकिन जब आप खुश हो वो पनीर भी जहर की तरह लगती है. आपके घर में कोई खुशियाँ मना रहा है, अच्छा खाना खा के एंजॉय कर रहा है, एसी में सब बैठे हैं, लेकिन आप खुश नहीं हो, आपको सब कुछ नफरत सी लगती है. लेकिन आपके पास खाने के लिए थोड़ा है लेकिन आप खुश हैं तो सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है. जब आपके पास भूख नहीं हो तो खाना कितना भी हो अच्छा नहीं लगता है. तो आई वांट टू रिक्वेस्ट यू, भूख पैदा करो, राइट. तो इसी पहल से आज हम लोग प्रेजेंटेशन देंगे. मैं सब बातें बोल रहा हूँ ताकि आपके अंदर एक भूख पैदा कर सकूँ बोलने के लिए. जब तक हमारे अंदर ना क्या बोलते हैं डिटर्मिनेशन नहीं आता फिर बोलने मज़ा नहीं आती यार. तो ये सब चीज़ें बता रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा भूख पैदा करो बोलने के लिए. तो थोड़ी सी एक और भूख पैदा करते हैं. छोटी चीज़ बताता हूँ, मैं भी कभी बताया हूँगा. एक बार जो है ना, once upon a time there was a king. He was a very rich person and he was very cytomaniac. Cytomaniac means a person who loves eating new dishes, right? So he was very cytomaniac kind of. So he was very fed up with the same chef. He used to make food, he used to eat, he used to make food, he used to eat. So he was very fed up. So he came and told and announced to people that I am fed up with this bawarchi. Is there any other person who can make delicious food? I will really reward that person if he can make more delicious food. So many people came and made. Again he ate. The food was not good. He said, no, the food is not delicious. I want somebody else who can make more delicious. I will really give my half of the property and money. So many more people came and made food. Again he rejected. He said, no, this food is not delicious. I want somebody else who can make more delicious. Then one person came ahead and said, sir, I can make, but I have 3 conditions. He said, what? He said, sir, give me 3 days. He said, okay. He said, sir, give me your bartan. He said, okay. He said, give me your horse. Ghoda kind of, right? Horse. He said, okay, these 3 conditions I accept. Go. After 3 days, many people came and he also came. He said, Raja Sahab, I have made delicious food. Let's go, chalo. Let's go and have food because I have made very delicious. So he said, राजा साहब आपने वादा किया था घोड़ा देने का, अभी तक आपने घोड़ा नहीं दिया. कर ले लीजिए, खड़ा है, कर चलिए बैठते हैं. तो he sat on the घोड़ा and बावर्ची also sat on the घोड़ा and he went where he made food. He started riding the horse. I think it was more than 50 kilometers away from there. Started running. Come on, he started going. After 50 kilometers, he reached where he made food. And actually, everybody reached कि भैया क्या बनाया, थोड़ा देखे कितना delicious है. And that person made roti and dal. And when Raja Sahab started eating food, it was so delicious. Can you tell me why? Yes, every day, everybody was making food. He was eating, he was sitting. There was no bhook, guys. That's why the food was not tasty. Do you understand that? If you are till here, up to here, and you eat paneer ka paratha and chicken biryani, you will not like it. And if you are hungry, that basi puri will be like wow. And that is why Raja Sahab liked that dal roti, because he was hungry. So ladies and gentlemen, every year, every day, until or unless you have hunger, you won't like doing anything. भूख का होना बहुत जरूरी है. बोलने के लिए स्टेज पे सब बोले, इंग्लिश सबकी अच्छी आती है. But the point is that भूख ही आपको कसम से ड्रामेटिक स्पीकर बनाती है. भूख ही आपको कॉन्फिडेंट स्पीकर बनाती है. भूख ही आपको एनर्जेटिक स्पीकर बनाती है. भूख ही आपको जो है कैप्टिवेटिव स्पीकर बनाती है. भूख ही आपको परसुएसिव स्पीकर बनाती है. भूख ही आपको हाइपोथेटिकल स्पीकर बनाती है. भूख ही आपको जो है साइकोलॉजिकल स्पीकर बनाती है. पर हमारे अंदर भूख ही नहीं है. यहाँ कैप्चर बुला लेंगे, गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, है ना. तो I mean we are unable to generate interest, guys. So it is a very humble request, generate this hunger. So do you have hunger? Yes, sir. Of course you should have that. So should we start the presentation today? Yes, 100%? Yes, sir. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to invite the first person to make him sit down. He will sit down here and convey the message, what strategy he is going to follow so that he could achieve whatever he wants to achieve. All right? Yes, sir.